Hey there, car enthusiasts. Quine Ltd here, and let us tell you, there's nothing worse than seeing a good engine go bad because of some boneheaded mistakes. Today we're diving into the top 7 car engine maintenance mistakes you need to avoid to keep your ride running smoothly for years to come. We're talking about simple stuff that'll save you a whole heap of trouble and money in the long run. So buckle up, grab a wrench, and let's get this show on the road. Number 1, and we can't stress this enough, is ignoring your oil changes. That's like forgetting to feed your pet hamster. Ain't nobody got time for that. Your engine needs fresh oil, and I mean the good stuff, not that cheap knockoff junk. Look, that oil's got to keep all those metal parts moving smooth, and without it, you're going to have metal grinding on metal, and that's a recipe for disaster. Trust us, you don't want to be hearing those expensive noises coming from under the bonnet. Speaking of oil, using the wrong kind is like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. It just ain't gonna work. Your car's manual, yeah, that little book you probably tossed in the glove box, it'll tell you exactly what kind of oil your engine needs. Get yourself some of that, and don't be trying to cut corners with some bargain basement stuff. Your engine will thank you for it. Next up, we got the air filter. Think of it like your engine's lungs. A dirty air filter is going to choke the life out of your engine. Plain and simple. You wouldn't want to breathe in a bunch of dust and grime, would you? Well, your engine doesn't either. Replacing your air filter is a cheap and easy fix that'll keep your engine running smooth and efficient. Chapter 4. Coolant. It's not just fancy water. Now let's talk about coolant. This ain't just some fancy water you can ignore. Coolant keeps your engine from turning into a molten mess. Skipping coolant flushes? That's like playing Russian roulette with your engine. One minute you're cruising down the road, the next minute, bam, overheating and a hefty repair bill. Chapter 5. Warning lights. Your car's cry for help. Those little lights on your dashboard, they ain't there for decoration. They're like your car's way of saying, hey, something ain't right. Ignoring them is like ignoring a toothache. It might go away for a bit, but it's going to come back with a vengeance. Get those warning lights checked out as soon as possible, or you'll be paying the price later. Chapter 6. Cheap parts, expensive problems. Listen, I get it. We all like to save a pound or two. But when it comes to your car's engine, cheap parts are going to cost you more in the long run. It's like building a house on a foundation of sand. It might look good at first, but it ain't going to last. Invest in quality parts, and your engine will reward you with years of reliable service. Chapter 7. Belts and hoses. Small parts, big trouble. Last but not least, don't forget about those belts and hoses. They might seem like small potatoes, but they play a big role in keeping your engine running. Regularly checking them for wear and tear is crucial. A busted belt or hose can leave you stranded on the side of the road, and nobody wants that.
Outro, keep that engine humming. There you have it. Avoid these 7 common car engine maintenance mistakes, and you'll keep your engine running smoothly for years to come. Remember, folks, a little bit of preventative maintenance goes a long way. Take care of your car, and it'll take care of you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more car maintenance tips. We're Quine Ltd, and we'll catch you in the next one. Keep those engines running smooth.